How to verify your Alipay account. Now in order to verify your Alipay account, you just simply need to open Alipay app, and after that you need to create an account using your phone number. And once you create your account by using your phone number, you will get to see this home page. Now from here you just simply need to tap into this me button from the bottom right corner, and after that select this setting icon from the top right corner. And after tapping in there, you will see this page of settings, and from here you need to tap to the account and security from the very top. And after tapping in there, you are going to see a lot of options from this page. Now in order to verify your Alipay account, you just simply need to tap into this identity information option. Tap to identity information, and after tapping in there, you are going to see this page where you need to select your country region, and you need to select your document type, which could be passport or permanent resident ID card. Select your suitable option, which might depend on the region that you are from, and after that you need to scan your ID for automatic fill. In this page it will fill out your passport number, gender, date of birth, name, and the passport expiry date. And after providing your ID cards scan, it will automatically fill out all of these information, and you need to tap to submit button and wait for the verification of your account, which will happen very quickly. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.